Right, 0.621 as fraction in its simplest form. Okay, the dot here basically means recurring. Okay, so 0.621 recurring, this is equal to 0.6212121. The 21 is recurring. Okay, so first, as usual, you put x equal to 0.621. Okay, this is recurring. The first one. So the first equation, you need to form two equations. Okay, the first equation, you need to put the decimal before. So we want it here. So that will give you 6.21 recurring. Okay, how to get here to here is times 10. So it times 10, therefore is 10x equal to 6.21. Next, want to put the decimal at the back after. So how to get from here to here is 1, 2, 3. You want it here. So it's time 1000. Okay, so it's 621.21. So it's 1000 x. Okay, this will be your first equation. This is second equation. Then you minus, take the second, you minus the first equation, you will get 1000 x minus 10x equal to 621.21 recurring minus 6.21 recurring. Okay, 990x 621.21, then you minus 6615. Okay. One thing you need to take note here, after you minus, this one should be a whole number. It cannot be a decimal. If you get decimal, that means something is wrong. When you minus, we want to get rid of this, the recurring. So your x is equal to 615 over 990. Fraction, and then you need to read the question. You say in simplest form. Just check it can be simplified. Yes, you can. You simplify, you should get 41 over 66. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.